Welcome back. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the all-new 2025 LaSalle 328 pickup truck. A bold and luxurious entry into the premium truck market. LaSalle, Cadillac's legendary sub-brand, has been revived to offer a combination of style, power, and advanced technology. The 328 blends classic American truck toughness with high-end materials and cutting-edge performance. From its striking exterior to its refined interior and powerful engine options, let's dive into everything this truck has to offer. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 LaSalle 328 commands attention with its bold design and upscale presence. The front grille is massive, featuring a signature chrome pattern with an illuminated LaSalle emblem at the center. The ultra-slim LED headlights wrap around the front corners, giving the truck a futuristic yet aggressive look. The sculpted hood features subtle power bulges, hinting at the performance beneath. Along the sides, strong character lines and chrome-accented door handles add to its premium feel. The truck bed is designed for both function and style, featuring a power tailgate, integrated LED lighting, and a built-in step for easy access. The rear end is highlighted by vertical LED taillights that match the signature lighting theme of LaSalle's design language. Available in multiple trims, the 328 offers wheel options ranging from 20 to 24 inches, ensuring it has a commanding presence on the road. Step inside, and the LaSalle 328 redefines what a luxury pickup truck should feel like. The cabin is crafted with premium materials, including hand-stitched leather, genuine wood, and brushed aluminum accents. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a massive curved OLED display, integrating both the digital instrument cluster and the latest LaSalle infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an AI-powered voice assistant come standard. The seats offer 24-way power adjustments, heating, ventilation, and a massage function for both the driver and passenger. Rear passengers enjoy class-leading legroom, reclining seats, and a panoramic glass roof that adds an open and airy feel to the cabin. A premium 40-speaker AKG sound system ensures an immersive audio experience, whether you're on a long road trip or cruising around town. Under the hood, the LaSalle 328 offers multiple powerful engine options. The base model is equipped with a 6.2-liter V8, producing 460 horsepower and 490 pounds-feet of torque. For those looking for more power, a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 option pushes the output to an impressive 700 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful trucks in its class. Additionally, LaSalle offers a plug-in hybrid variant that pairs a turbocharged V6 with an electric motor, delivering a combined 550 horsepower and an estimated 40 miles of electric-only range. The truck features an advanced air suspension system that automatically adjusts for ride comfort and load leveling. A state-of-the-art all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction in all conditions, and advanced driver assistance features, including hands-free Super Cruise, make highway driving effortless. Pricing for the 2025 LaSalle 328 starts at around $85,000 for the base model, with higher trims and optional features pushing the price above $130,000. The hybrid variant is expected to start at approximately $95,000. While it's positioned as a high-end luxury truck, the 328 delivers a unique combination of power, advanced technology, and premium craftsmanship, making it a standout choice in the luxury pickup segment. What do you think of the 2025 LaSalle 328? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth vehicle reviews. Thanks for watching.